hurry up, Michael.
Hi, my little furry creature girl. Hi, my little furry creature girl. What do you want? You're shedding all the time. Me, 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 me. Ah. Ah. Come here. You're done work for today. No more work. No. 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 It's a merry-go-round.
What's that game with musical chairs? Is that what she's playing?
No, it's merry-go-round.
Oh, it's good.
Yes, it's a merry-go-round. Now we go backwards. The lawnmowers are out today, Roxy.
Oh my God.